This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up recurring bills in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Then, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Recurring Transactions. This is where you'll manage all your automated financial entries. Next, click the New button to begin creating a new template. Choose Bill as the transaction type. Now let's customize your bill template. Give your template a descriptive name like monthly rent or utility payment so it's easy to recognize later. For the type, select Scheduled to ensure QuickBooks automatically generates these bills. Next, choose the desired interval, whether it's weekly, monthly, or annually. Finally, set the start date for when the recurring bill should begin, and you can also add an optional end date if the bill is for a fixed period. It's time to input the vendor and account details. From the drop-down menu, select the specific vendor associated with this recurring bill. This ensures proper tracking of payments. Next, choose the correct expense account where this bill should be categorized, such as rent expense or utilities expense. Accurately enter the amount of the recurring bill. You can also add a memo for any additional details or notes you might need for future reference. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Double-check the vendor, amount, and schedule. Once everything looks correct, click the Save Template button. Your recurring bill is now set up. You can always go back to the Recurring Transactions list to view, edit, or even pause any of your templates. This helps maintain precise financial records with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.